Hello everyone and welcome to the best crypto channel ever. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. Today we are going to talk about the thoughts of the founder of Ethereum about the Dogecoin and its future. As you might know, the founder of Ethereum is one of the richest men in the crypto business and his thoughts and predictions are very important for the market. He was talking about the potential reforms of Dogecoin and the impact that they could have in the future. Also, today we are going to go through the latest news about Dogecoin and chart analysis about the Doge. We can freely say that Elon Musk is taking the things in his hands concerning Dogecoin. It seems that he is trying to get the Dogecoin up and out of the shadow of Bitcoin. Although for now there are now news that indicates that he already started to improve Dogecoin, but analysis was already made about this topic. Most of the people analyzing the steps of Elon Musk and the news around the Dogecoin can say that we can expect some new market up for Dogecoin. There are discussions about these reforms in the Dogecoin technology and in some of its features. Some of them are saying that it is already discussed how the transaction speeds are going to be increased, transaction fees are going to be lowered, and the block sizes are going to be improved. Concerning this, one of the founders of Ethereum and Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, has already offered some advice directly to Elon Musk on how to improve and upgrade Dogecoin and how with those improvements can this coin become one of the biggest currencies on the planet. As an experienced man, working on Ethereum and Cardano, Hoskinson's words are of big importance. Just as a reminder, he was one of the 8 founders of Ethereum and after a while he split from the group and created Cardano. He launched Cardano, also known as ADA, in September 2017. This currency remained unpopular until the end of November, but after, as we all saw, Cardano jumped by 1,500% with a market cap of $18.8 billion, and with this it became the 5th most valuable cryptocurrency out there. The primary use of Cardano is as cryptocurrency, and the token ADA is part of Cardano layer. It is interesting to mention that Cardano was called Japanese Ethereum because of its popularity in the East and because it could become popular and valuable as Ethereum. And its token was and still is used mainly to send and receive funds. The transfers with the token of Cardano are very fast and convenient. Besides of this, Cardano is also working decentralized and it runs decentralized applications and services without control of any other third party. This is a design of very experienced engineers, and some says that this kind of technologies can find use in most important fields on the planet, like aerospace and flight. Focusing on this kind of use, we can see some similar use of the Dogecoin, since it has a potential in the SpaceX project. We believe that this is the topic where Hoskinson wants to talk about with Elon Musk. Because if Elon already announced that he has some plans about Doge and SpaceX, and Cardano is already working on implementing the Cardano into the aerospace world, we can surely say that this is the potential field that both great minds can interlapse. If these two merges together, it is going to be amazing for the crypto market and especially for the Doge itself. This reaction of Hoskinson came right after the Dogefather, Musk, tweeted that the fees for Dogecoin must be reduced at least for 100 times. Elon also underlined that the market value of Doge must be increased as well. The market value is probably easy achievable because there are investors that are already interested in fueling money into Doge. Also, many times was discussed that the speed of Doge transactions must be increased and will be increased for at least 10 times with significantly bigger blocks. If this happens, this will mean huge win for the ones that have Dogecoin now. Because if all of this is going to see the light of the day, the price of this crypto goes up for sure, and nothing can stop it. Before Hoskinson respond, we heard from the creator of Dogecoin, Billy Marcus. He said that the smaller fees and bigger blocks is an easy mission for this company, but still the speed of transactions might be a little bit a problem. Because, as he said, there is going to be a lot of work for this thing to improve in near future. This improvement, according to his words, requires number of skilled engineers, time, and more resources. What is interesting is that just a day after that, Charles Hoskinson posted video online where he explains how these corrections can be made. He explained everything in a very interesting and surprising way for the users, but for the owners as well. But not just this, he also gave other instructions and advice on how to make Doge better for everyone in the world. He believes that Elon Musk will work this trough with his great team of engineers in his companies. It is going to require rebuilding the cryptocurrency, but this is not going to affect a lot the price of the token. Most of the prognosis are that this rebuild will not drop the price under the level of 30 cents. This is not a big drop, taking into consideration that the bearish market dropped the Doge on a 30-cent level. Hoskinson argued that Dogecoin need a little bit of upgrades and multiple protocols that will speed up the transactions. This might improve the mining process as well. If these improvements are made, it will result with greater use of the Doge in everyday life and will transform the crypto from a joke in a serious cryptocurrency. Before the beginning of the current dip, Dogecoin and ADA were in competition for the 4th spot on the top 5 crypto in terms of market cap. Currently ADA is 4th in the terms of market cap and its value is 1/5 of Ethereum and Dogecoin as 5th place. Most of the people are agreed that entering Elon Musk in the world of crypto is positive, not just for the crypto market, but for the entire financial system. This opinion is also shared by Hoskinson as well. The reforms of Dogecoin might take a year or two, but for sure it is something that we should anticipate. In the last 24 hours, Dogecoin is trading for around 35 cents and the charts are showing that Cardano has correction, and that is a good thing for the Doge. We can see bearish market, and this is an open spot for buying assets. If you are looking for buying, we believe that Doge has an excellent price now. As you might know, when we have the bearish market, it is the best moment for buying crypto. And according to the most crypto enthusiasts, you should buy a cheaper an asset with great future because that asset has the potential to grow. Any new investor wants the fast growth, and that is exactly possible in the crypto trading. And in the past couple of days, we can see consolidation in the price of Doge in a triangle pattern. This pattern will be confirming, and the resistance level will be around 45 to 50 cents. The target of this triangle is going to be around 45 cents, but it is reasonable to expect that price to go higher. The volume is not as expected, and we might see volume going up. Analyzing the charts, we can see that Doge is in some declining rally. Price action is now weak and there might be move to the resistance level at 45 cents, and we can see how the price will react from that resistance point. If the price fall, we can see the new support of 25 cents. And if the rally goes up, we should expect the rally go keep the same level or a little bit higher. The coin now is slightly above the 25 cents support level of the Fibonacci retrace. It made it above 21 EMA and 0.618 fibs. If the support holds here and if we'll break out of the immediate resistance trend line, there are chances of testing the 45 resistance zone. Also, there is a chance of spike here, if the coin reaches the 45 resistance level. Most of the analysis are going with the prediction that this year is going to be the luckiest year for Dogecoin. If you look up the weekly charts, you can see that easily this coin can go on the 50 cents mark. Doge rose over 50 cents in one point and dipped slightly below it for a while. This year may end with all-time high for Doge, or even higher. As you already know, all-time high for Doge was 71 cents. We should not be surprised if this year we see a new all-time high price for this crypto. The bravest predictions are going on the price of $1.20. And this is supported with the upcoming project for this coin. More people entering the Doge is resulting with its price going up. There is news that more people are going to enter the new project for reforming Doge. This means that there are going to be more money in this company, and with that its price might go even further. Some are saying that even institutional money is going to be flown in the Doge. If this truly happened, Doge is going to receive significant funding for its development. And if this reform project succeeds, we are going to see big correction in price for this coin that already is one of the biggest in the world. Doge is in point where no fall is possible. We are not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.